Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to get XRP address in OKX Wallet. Alright, so your first step is to open up the OKX application. So make sure you're clicking on the wallet section at the top of the screen. As you can see here towards the left, you find the exchange. So click on wallet and you'll be met with the OKX Wallet. Alright, so now on the OKX Wallet, how can you get your XRP wallet address? It's easy to do this. You could easily use the search icon at the top of the screen to simply search for XRP. When you click on the XRP token, you'd find that this XRP belongs on the BNB Smart chain, as this is the only chain that is supported currently on the OKX wallet, which is the Web3 wallet. This is the OKX Web3 wallet, and this is the XRP that is supported on this wallet. Now, in order to get your address, all you need to do is click on receive, and you could either scan the QR code or copy the address at the bottom of the screen and simply copy it. Now, if you cannot find it via a search, that would be because you've not added this token to your wallet. So in order to add this token, simply scroll through till you find the hamburger icon, which is just besides your total assets. Now click on this hamburger icon, and where we have search at the top of the screen, search for XRP. And you'd find that the only XRP network that is available is the XRP on the BNB Smart chain. No other XRP token comes close. And all you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in order to add this token, or on the minus to remove it. Once you've clicked on this, you could simply add this token to your wallet. And like before, all you need to do is scroll to the top, use the search and search for XRP. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.